Correct statement regarding changes occur in respiratory system during pregnancy is: A. Increase in chest circumference. B. Decrease subcostal angle. C. Increase in functional residual volume. D. Decrease in tidal volume. Please pause the video and comment your answer. In pregnancy, several important physiological changes occur in respiratory system, and understanding each option help clarify why option A is correct while other are incorrect. Option A, increased chest circumference, is correct because hormonal effect, mainly progesterone and relaxin, cause relaxation of ligaments and expansion of rib cage, leading to an increase in transverse diameter of the chest and widening of the subcostal angle. This compensates for upward displacement of diaphragm about 4 cm by the enlarged uterus, allowing adequate lung expansion despite reduced vertical space. Option B, subcostal angle decrease, is incorrect because in reality subcostal angle increased significantly from 68 to 100 degree due to outward flaring of ribs, which is a key adaptation to maintain ventilation. Option C, increase in functional residual volume, is also incorrect because functional residual capacity actually decrease during pregnancy as a result of diaphragm elevation, which reduce expiratory reserve volume and residual volume. Even total lung capacity is only slightly reduced or nearly unchanged. Option D, decrease in tidal volume, is incorrect because the exact opposite occur. Tidal volume increase by about 30 to 40% due to progesterone stimulating the respiratory center in the medulla, increasing sensitivity to carbon dioxide and causing deeper breathing. This lead to an increase in minute ventilation by 40 to 50%, a mild respiratory alkalosis, and a decrease in maternal PaCO2, which is essential for efficient transfer of CO2 from the fetus to the mother. Altogether, pregnancy is characterized by increased chest circumference, increased tidal volume, increased minute ventilation, decreased functional residual capacity, and increased subcostal angle, making option A only correct statement among the given choices. Please follow for more.